Now, if you look at my channel analytics here, you will see that most of my channel traffic is coming from the YouTube search, with over 70% of my channel total traffic. When it comes to the external traffic, you can also see here that most of my channel external traffic is coming from Google, which tells me that I'm using the right keywords and doing the right optimization to rank my videos on both Google and YouTube. Otherwise, I wouldn't have been getting all this traffic to my channel, right? So how do I go about finding the keywords and how to optimize them on my channel videos so as to rank them on both YouTube and Google? Well, you have to keep watching to find out how I use the free version of Tubebuddy to help me come up with targeted and easy to rank keywords on YouTube and Google for more views and subscribers to my channel. Hi there, I'm Winston the Solopreneur Warrior, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through some of the free Tubebuddy features I've been using to get views and subscribers to my channel. But before we get into all that, if this is your first time to this channel and you're interested in starting, growing, and driving views to your YouTube videos and channel as a whole, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Now, basically, Tubebuddy is a browser extension you can install on your internet browser. So when you install Tubebuddy on your browser and connect it to your channel, it will appear like a menu inside your YouTube account so that you can easily access the tools with just a simple click. In short, the Tubebuddy tool is a program that empowers you to oversee, manage, and scale your YouTube channel to success. With this tool, you'll be able to gain access to a good number of tools that will help you make the most out of your YouTube channel. By the way, just so you know, most of the features that you will need to rank your videos on YouTube and Google are available in the free version of Tubebuddy. So if you click on the first link below this video, it will lead you to this page where you can sign up and start taking advantage of your channel competitors. Here are some of the free Tubebuddy features I've been using to get views and subscribers to this channel. The first is the Keyword Explorer tool. Now, the Keyword Explorer tool is a crucial tool to any search engine optimization efforts. You will of course need quality keywords to optimize your videos. You will need to know who's ranking for which short tail keywords and where the opportunities lie with long tail keywords. With the Keyword Explorer, you can run a search for a video title even before you start making the video, just to gauge if people will be interested in the video title on YouTube and Google. So when you make a search with the Keyword Explorer tool, you'll be presented with the keyword difficulty score, which tells you how difficult the keyword will be to rank for. Usually, Tubebuddy grades the competition score using this gauge, which tells you if a keyword is poor with the arrow pointing to red. You also see this percentage score here. So on the gauge, you have red, orange, yellow, and light green. Now, if the keyword or title you use to make your search is good, you will see this very good green score here. Personally, I go with keywords or video titles with over 45% and above score. The search volume here indicates how many people are searching for that specific keyword or video title on YouTube. Again, you see the scores here mentioned using different adjectives. You also see the competition, which is basically how good a keyword or phrase is when compared to the targeted searches and videos competing for the same keyword or phrase. The optimization option here will show you how well optimized the top ranking videos for that specific search phrase is. Once I've decided on the video title I'm going to use, I create a video on it and upload it on YouTube, and now it's time to start optimizing the video, which is another area where the Tubebuddy tool really helps me. When it comes to optimizing your videos to rank on the YouTube search, get suggested on other videos, as well as ranking them on Google, you first have to optimize your video for whatever you are targeting. On YouTube, you can optimize your videos by using your targeted keywords in the video title, description, and tags. Now, did you know that you can have up to 500 characters in your video tags area? You can use the Tubebuddy suggested tag feature to fill in as many relevant long tail tags as possible. The problem here is, with the free version, you get only 3 suggested tags. Well, here is a little secret. There is a workaround way that you can use. So, for example, you can make a search using your video title and then look at the tags of the videos ranking for that search term. To do that, you have to click through to some of these top ranking videos, and when the video page opens up, on the right side here, you'll see that Tubebuddy again has extracted the hidden tags of the video and it's presenting it to you on a silver plate, so to speak. Now, when you click on this blue button that says Show Search Rankings, you'll see all the tags that this video is ranking for on YouTube. Here is a cool tip though. If you come across a video that the subscriber count is close, maybe a couple of hundred subscribers above your channel or below, you can copy the tags that the video is ranking for and use it in your video. There is a high chance that when you post your video with those same tags, your video will be suggested and even ranked close to the video you took the tags from. Now you have to understand that this strategy works pretty well only when your subscriber count is close to the channel you are copying the tags from. Now, if you can't find a channel close to your channel by subscriber count, just go through some of the top videos with lower subscriber count and select some of the related tags they are ranking for and use them as your video tags. Now, if you don't like this workaround way of skipping over video pages, simply upgrade to the pro version of Tubebuddy, and below your video, you'll see a ton of tags that you can just click on them to add them to your YouTube videos. The Tubebuddy feature will return results based on your existing tags, the tags you use on your video title and description, and then suggest additional tags that you can use to optimize your videos. The next free Tubebuddy feature that I use to grow my views and subscribers on my channel is the Tubebuddy thumbnail feature. To be honest with you, I've tried many image editing sites to create my video thumbnails, but none of them is as easy as the Tubebuddy thumbnail feature. Check this out. When creating my video thumbnails, I just click on this feature here within my video editing page on YouTube. Next, I select the solid color feature because I like using a solid color, but you can also use a still image within your video or a background image of your choice. After doing that, click on the continue button here below. Now, here is where I have a template already created and saved within the Tubebuddy thumbnail feature, so that all I have to do when creating my video thumbnail is to add some text. Then add some background shapes so that the text pops out. And finally, some icing on the cake with these backdrops, and my video thumbnail is ready for publishing. How cool is that? The feature also has this option where you can add emojis on your thumbnail if you choose. Now, when you are done with your editing, you can immediately compare your thumbnail against videos already ranking for that specific keyword phrase you are targeting. Now, apart from all that, Tubebuddy also has different features that will help you facilitate many manual activities on your YouTube channel. Take for example, if you go to the Contents tab on your Creator Studio, on the top bar here, you will see the Tubebuddy's bulk and miscellaneous tools. On it, you'll find this bulk video processing option, which includes the finding and replacing text feature. With the find and replace text feature, you can use it to find and insert any text before or after a certain word in all your video descriptions. You can delete or add text to the end or at the beginning of your video description. You can use it to replace all your video descriptions if you choose. So for example, it might just be replacing a hyperlink in your video description with a new link. The find and replace text tool is what you will need to do all that. Now you also have the bulk thumbnail overlay and much more. Basically, I would recommend the Tubebuddy tool for all YouTube creators just starting out, even if it's just getting used to the free version. And if later it's something you think you will need for your channel, you can go ahead and upgrade to the pro version. Again, I will be dropping the link to the free sign up page below this video. Now, if you are in the process of looking for more views and subscribers to your YouTube channel, make sure to check out my secret 20+ easy ways to quickly promote your channel videos for free. And with all that, I'll wrap up this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, hit the like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.